How to file taxes on FreshBooks. FreshBook does not file taxes for you, but it organizes everything you need. So start by recording all of the invoices, payments, and expenses. So head over to the invoices tab, and then under this, go ahead and add your invoices. Attach receipts and categorize them properly. After that, connect your bank account. Head over into the bank connections tab, and then in here, go ahead and link your bank account so FreshBooks automatically import transactions. This ensures nothing is missed. After that, categorize transactions. Head over into the expense list, and then in here, go ahead and select categories like meals, travel, or supplies. Assign categories that align with tax deductions. FreshBook uses standard accounting categories to make filing easier. Now go ahead and head over into the reports tab. Key ones for taxes include profit, loss, expense report, and sales tax summary. Export your reports as PDF or Excel and then share them with your accountant or upload to tax software like TurboTax or TaxSlayer. FreshBooks prepares the data, but filing happens outside the platform. So use your accountant or tax software to submit. Don't forget to categorize expenses and keep receipts. Missing details can cost you deductions. FreshBooks is a tax prep hub. It organizes your records so filing is smooth, whether you're a freelancer or running a small business.